Hi guys, this video is about how I am rebuilding my life, my creative life, my journey so far. So last year really stretched me. Last year was a year of formation for me. I feel like God took me in a silent place where He wanted me to build, to just stay and to rebuild myself. So last year taught me how to be quiet. Last year taught me how to be silent. So I prayed, I studied the scripture, I went through a journey. Last year really stretched me. Last year, 2025 was a year I literally found myself. For the first time, I can say, yes, I know who Duchess Mami is. But this year, I am choosing to rebuild gently. I'm an artist and I'm a beauty entrepreneur. Last year, I went through the journey of building my art career. I learned a lot. I went through several exhibitions and now I'm being more intentional. I am restarting. I am clearer in what I want to do and I know that God is carrying me through it. I'm rebuilding my art career. I am learning more. I am building my relationship with God stronger. Obviously, we know that it's not a day journey, it's a forever journey. So I am building that as well consistently. I'm also building my financial stability in, trying to stabilize my finances and my various businesses. So the lessons I've learned so far, I've learned that rest is part of the journey. Rest is a requirement. Rest is productive. If you don't get enough rest, you just wear yourself out. Rest is part of the journey. If I withdraw myself to rest sometimes, I used to feel guilty of resting, but now I own my rest. I would put my phone on do not disturb and I will sleep for so long and I won't even care about it because I've learned that rest is part of the journey. Rest is also be productive. I've also learned obedience over pressure. Our God is a God of process and not a God of pressure. You can't put God under pressure. He's a God of process, so you must follow the process. That is one strong thing that I have learned. So you must follow the process, no need to rush. The Bible even said, be anxious for nothing. So why would I want to stress myself being worried about anything when I can stay back, relax, pray about that situation and just allow God to take the wheel because there is no need to worry, trust me. I've also learned that certain small bits waiting for perfection. That's waiting for that perfect time is actually what will slow you down and lead to procrastination. With my art career, the moment I knew what to do, I picked it immediately and I ran with it. I'm just 1 year old in the art industry and I can tell you that God has carried me so far with several exhibitions I've attended with last year was really all about my art career. God took me in a silent place, built me and helped me to bring out that art into knowing that I am building a legacy with this and that journey has taught me a whole lot. So this year, we're building a community. This year, we're building stronger structure this time around and I am so excited and I look forward to amazing things that would happen this year, both in my beauty career and in my art career and also in my relationship with God. What are you expecting in this channel? You expect my art process, you will expect beauty tutorials, you expect vlog, a whole lot of vlog, my art process, several things will happen. And expect me to talk about God because without God, I am nothing. Without Him, He has carried me so far. And I just have to speak about how much He has taught me, how much I have learned through His Word. So yeah, if this resonates with you, feel free to subscribe and walk this journey with me. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.